Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kenna and I am a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Douala, Cameroon. Welcome to another video. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about food. Okay guys, on this channel we talk about a whole lot of things. On this channel I have vlogs, I have sit down videos talking about marriage, pregnancy, love, a couple of things, and I'm sure you would find at least one thing you're interested on this channel. So please, if this is your first time coming here, don't start doubting whether you want to click the subscribe button. Just first of all click on that subscribe button. Okay, click on that subscribe button and I promise you, you shall not regret it. Okay guys, so as you can see, today I'm going to be talking about food. I'm going to be talking about, ignore Myra behind me, just ignore her. So today I'm going to be talking about food. I'll be talking about different meals you can cook for your family in a week. So I'll basically be sharing with you what my family of 6 ate for a week. Okay, I started on a Sunday and I finished everything on a Saturday. Okay, I wanted to just finish on a Sunday too, but guys, I was willing to do it, but I got tired. So what I generally do is, at the beginning of every week, on Saturdays, not beginning of every week, on Saturdays I sit down and I look to ensure that everything we need for the week is in the house. After checking that, I come up with a list. I just write a list of what I'm going to cook. And since I started working, I ensure that I pick those things to cook that are not going to stress me that much. So I come up with a list. I say, okay, I'll cook this on this day, this on this day. And I've discovered that since I started working, when I say I'll cook this meal on this day, I most certainly do that, because it's not, again, like I just used to freestyle. Normally before, I just used to freestyle. Sometimes I'll write the list, but I'll not really follow it. But since I started working, it's important that I follow it. Please ignore my neighbors as well if they're making noise. Okay, so I come up with the list and that is how I follow it, and it has been working out really well. The only issue is that I am still having problems to eat because my appetite has come back, yes, but the issue is I don't feel like eating everything. So it's still a work in progress. So I just try to cook a lot of things that I really enjoy eating. This week, my favorite thing I cooked was fresh cornchaff. Guys, you know I'm always talking about fresh cornchaff. Oh my god, it was so delicious. It was so delicious. So yeah, let me stop talking too much and leave you guys to first of all go and watch. Pretty girl.
You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night, throwing drinks back. Blue eyes smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you, I'm nervous that it's you.
for Thursday, guys, I did not cook because Thursday was one of those lazy days. I just decided to heat food from the fridge, and generally there are some meals that I cook in huge amounts. One of those meals is arrow, and that is what we ate on this day. So on this day we heated arrow and ate with gari, because I always cook arrow in a way that we can eat it 2 or 3 times, and I put in the freezer so that it's always there for those lazy days. So this Thursday was a lazy day. I just got up, removed the arrow, kept it. The nanny stayed back and heated it, and they ate with gari because I couldn't be bothered. Okay.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. I would.
Okay guys, so this is what me and my family ate this week. What do you guys think about it? If you notice, you see that majority of the time I like to cook. If I cook like a vegetable, I'll cook like rice the next day. If I cook like a traditional meal today, I try to cook something spaghetti, something dodo, something that the kids love. So my husband is more of the person that really likes traditional meals. So if I cook one traditional meal today, I balance it up because my kids don't like some traditional meals like that, like all the vegetables. They are not big fans. They are not big fans of it, but I just balance it. So if I cook a traditional meal today, tomorrow I cook like rice, the next day I cook another traditional meal, the next day I cook something soft. So yeah, that is just how I handle it, and it's working fine for all of us. We in this house, we are not big eaters like that. We don't eat a lot, so that's another thing that helps me. I don't. Myra, it's okay, it's okay, don't cry. Come. So another thing, guys. Myra just tried to show her bum bum to the wall. Anyway, another thing, what was I even saying? I've even completely forgotten. Okay, so I was just trying to say that we don't eat a lot in this house. We are not big eaters like that. So I don't stress a lot when it comes to food. And a lot of people always talk to me about this amount of food I cook, guys. I cook really small like that because majority we have something else for breakfast, something else for lunch, and then in the evening the kids drink tea, bread, pancakes. So that is why I cook mostly for lunch. Sometimes my husband will eat in the afternoon and eat again the same meal in the evening. Same goes to the nanny, but I leave her to pick whatever thing she wants to eat. If she wants to eat the meal we cooked in the afternoon for dinner, good and fine. If she wants to eat like tea, good and fine. So that is how it works for me, guys. You know, I'm always looking for more tips. So if you have tips of how I can make things easier for me, you know what to do, just let me know in the comment section. If there's a meal that you have never seen in my kitchen before and you're wondering, do I cook that meal, please ask me as well in the comment section. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. Let me know what you think. If this video has inspired you in any way to cook one of the meals in the video, let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I am going to see you guys on the next one. Love you. Bye.